starting the test drive in this BMW M2 here. This has been lowered, so it's not the easiest to drive, especially on where there's a lot of construction being done around here. But for the most part, the ride is not as bad as I was expecting. Now, I am on a freshly paved stretch of road here, so that might have something to do with it, but for the most part, not terrible ride quality for this to be more of a street sport tune car. Now, I will say these tires are loud, very loud. So you might have to just turn the video down or whatever, because that's crazy. It's like a droning sound. It's very, very piercing. And I don't know if this is road, because I don't remember hearing it when I drove it to the parking lot to film, but here we are. Now, where this thing is really going to shine is definitely going to be from the performance side, so I'm kind of excited to open her up getting on the interstate here. But still, again, this isn't something that I would necessarily hesitate to drive. As a daily, it just couldn't be too far. Just a very stiff ride, but what I would expect from an M. So I should have some space to open her up here. And I'm in sport mode, not gonna use paddles. I'm just gonna give it what it's got. Here we go. God dog. Woo! God. Yeah, that's incredible. It's what I would expect from a Dinan tuned BMW, but my goodness. Yeah, that is, oh my gosh, that's crazy. About threw the camera off my freaking head strap there. Goodness gracious. But again, not a quiet car to drive in, but man, it's quick. And as you can probably tell by how the camera's flailing around, every time I hit a bump, it about shakes me to death. But again, for a car that performs like this, if I'm just gonna be taking it out, running it, that ain't gonna bother me too bad. Yeah, that was impressive, very impressive. Yeah, that was actually pretty shocking. It's an M2, so I shouldn't be too shocked, but just with the tune and everything, the bigger turbo and all that, wow, just incredible. Now, I do want to give one more thanks to Auto Collection of Murfreesboro and Auto Pro Nashville for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on something like this, which it'll be hard to do, closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your info. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on a car like this or whatever you might be interested in. Yeah, I hate it started raining just now because I wanted to give this thing one more pull, but even with the traction control, I just don't know if it'll be able to handle it. This turbo, just all of the mods that have been done to this car are insane. It's so freaking quick. And I'm so impressed by how it's running here. And this one's low miles, less than, I think, 30,000. It's just, it's a good buy, I think, for under 40 grand. Because the performance is insane. Absolutely insane. Really the only downfall to that, again, well, it's two downfalls. A car like this with an M2, it's small. It's pretty small. So it's not like you could have your whole team with you in the car, but you can have your bags in the back, maybe a super small person behind the passenger side, and then somebody shorter in the front. But it's just it's a small car, and with this one being lowered, it's just you have to take every bump with care. But I mean, you get something that's so freaking quick. I mean, it's insane how quick this car is. And I didn't even get to really put my foot into it like I wanted to. On the on-ramp I did, but I wanted to do it one more good time, and I just wasn't able to, which I hate that, but it happens, especially with the summer rain like this. You never know what you're gonna get. But I mean, just a phenomenal performance vehicle in my opinion. And again, the tune really does wonders here. Being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2017 Dinan Tune BMW M2.